Hello, my name is Teresita Blanco, the Artsy Sister, and today we're doing pouring art. Like I'm doing pouring art on paper instead of wooden canvases or instead of like on a wooden panel or canvases, mostly because I ran out of both, but I still have plenty of paint. So then I be like, like this piece of paper looks like it can handle a lot of abuse. So then I went with it because that paper, it said that it was designed to handle oil acrylic. So then I be like, if it can handle oil acrylic, it can definitely withstand pouring paint. So then that's what I went with it. Like the thing, and then I discovered while experimenting with paper is that you can create interesting effects using paper because unlike canvases and like wooden panels, paper you can actually bend and wiggle around, so then that creates interesting patterns that you normally wouldn't be able to do when using like a solid surface. And as you can see, like the paint bottle that I'm using that has some crazy random colors, that's that paint bottle where I have all of my leftover paint. And it creates a nice dirty pour pattern. So yeah, and I don't leave anything, I don't allow anything to go to waste. And from time to time I add some pure pigments in order to refresh it, but all in all, it's what you're seeing is the ghost of the previous paintings that were made. But yeah, but the paint still flows well. If you're collecting the leftover for a dirty pour painting, make certain to collect it while they're still relatively fresh before the ventilator dries it, or just the air in general. And always make certain to tidy up your workspace. But then again, my mother's a bit of a neat freak, so then I always clean up after myself whenever I finish an art. If you get some serious stains on the table or something, or in my case a table made of glass, acetone is really good for removing pouring paint, pouring acrylic stain. So then you just while the stain is still fresh, just put some acetone on a paper towel and then just rub it until it's removed, more or less. And acetone also works well with ink. So yeah. And then as you can see, using that weird mold that I made, it created a nice petal flower pattern. And then I'm just trying to pull the paint a little bit off the side in order to try to maintain the pattern. But that's also easier said than done because there's a lot of chaos with regards to pouring paints in general. But I'm just trying my best, that's all.